Hello, my name is Paul Karko, and I'm a technical marketing engineer here at Cisco and part of the Advanced Threat Solutions team. So this is the first video in a series of short videos aimed to help you quickly deploy the Cisco Security Connector. So in this video, we'll start off with Meraki Systems Manager. So Meraki Systems Manager is the MDM piece of the solution. As of today, we also support Mobile Iron and AirWatch, with others coming soon. But the first thing we need to do here is choose an existing Meraki network. If you didn't have a network, you would define one, but we're going to choose this existing network named ATS-TME. With that highlighted, we navigate to Systems Manager, MDM Settings, and we're going to add a new profile. This is the profile that's going to be pushed to the iOS devices. We'll choose a default profile type. We'll name the profile. Add a description, optional. Now we'll configure the device tags. The scope will be, they'll have all of the following tags. However, we're only going to configure one tag here, and that'll be iOS devices. Please remember that Cisco Security Connector is only intended for supervised iOS devices. This is not a BYOD solution, nor is it intended for any other devices other than iOS. Let's save it, and the next step, we're going to go to the organization and configure API access for AMP for endpoints and for Umbrella. So navigate to organization. We'll configure settings, and we need to enable access to the Cisco Meraki dashboard API, which is a RESTful API in JSON format. So I'm going to toggle this. So we have API access enabled. Now we're going to navigate to the profile. This is not the profile that we just created, but actually your account profile. And we're going to generate a new API key. We're going to use this API key in the next couple of videos to integrate AMP for endpoints, which is the Clarity extension of Cisco Security Connector, and then of course Umbrella. So we generate the API key. Important to copy this and save this, because you're going to need it in the next step. And that's all there is to it for right now. We'll come back later on and see the impact of applying that API key. But please proceed to the second video where we'll configure AMP for endpoints for Clarity. Thank you.